Have you ever seen real pictures of the 8 planets? This is a picture of Mercury taken by a spacecraft called Messenger. Mercury has a very thin layer of air around it. It looks like it's covered in dents called craters. It looks very similar to our moon. But Mercury is the planet closest to the sun out of all 8 planets. It's also the smallest planet in our solar system. This is Venus. The surface temperature can reach 462 degrees Celsius. It's the hottest planet in our whole solar system. You can see that the ground on Venus is incredibly dry. There are also a few dents called craters. It looks like a barren desert made of cooled lava. Life will hardly be able to survive in this hellish environment. This is Mars. It looks like the ground is dry and empty. But there's also dirt and small rocks. It looks like a desert with a dark red color. But Mars is similar to our planet Earth. It also has an atmosphere. There might even be water there. It's currently the top choice for humans to move to and live on in the future. This is Jupiter, a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen. It has no solid surface to stand on and is so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside. A spacecraft called Juno got a close-up picture of a giant red spot on Jupiter. This giant red spot is actually a massive storm. This is Saturn. Just like Jupiter, it's a gas planet made mostly of hydrogen. In the colorful pictures taken by a spacecraft called Cassini, the most amazing thing is its rings, which are made of tiny pieces of ice. It's one of the most unique and easily recognizable planets in our solar system. This is Uranus. This picture was taken by the Voyager 2 spacecraft in 1986. Uniquely, Uranus is tilted so much that it orbits the sun almost on its side. Its striking blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light from the sun. Neptune is similar to Uranus but appears even bluer. It is the farthest planet from the sun, and the air around it is the coldest of all 8 planets. Like Uranus, its blue color comes from traces of methane gas in its atmosphere. If we ever get the chance, we might even see it raining diamonds inside. And finally, there's our home Earth, the very planet we're standing on right now. Compared to the other planets, Earth's surface feels like an entirely different world. After all, this is where we live, so if you had to pick a favorite among the 8 planets, would you choose Earth? If you liked this, like and follow. See you in the next one.